Xtern Finalist Day is like the NBA Draft Day. And so what happened is that today we have 155 of the top finalists from all around the country, but ultimately we're chosen from over 1,800 applicants that have their home states are in 43 different states, and they hail from 120 different universities. We've whittled that down through a rigorous screening process to the 155 finalists that are here today to meet with 93 hiring teams that each have a table around this room and the next over here. So ultimately at the end of this, the students and the companies will rank each other based on if there's a match, and then at the end of the day we'll match them together.
I had an internship with them last year through this program. The stuff I learned there I still use today, and I think that's probably the best part of this program. It stays with you.
At IUPUI we have a number of hardworking, highly focused students, many of whom are choosing to attend IUPUI because of our location in the city. And so being able to partner with TechPoint on the Xtern program and the Xtern semester program is a really neat formal way for us to create a pathway for students into a wide variety of tech companies. And as tech is the fastest growing industry in the region, hopefully this can only expand.